Most home cooks use dull knives and wonder why they slip, bruise food, and cause accidents. Sharp knives are actually safer and make prep work faster. Here's how to master the 3 essential knife skills every cook needs. Step 1. Grip the knife correctly. Hold the handle with your 3 fingers wrapped underneath, thumb and index finger pinching the blade's sides just above the handle. This grip gives you control and prevents slips. Step 2. Position the claw grip with your other hand. Curl your fingertips inward and use your knuckles to guide the blade. This protects your fingertips while cutting and keeps your cuts consistent. Step 3. Use the rocking motion for herbs and small items. Keep the knife's tip on the board and rock the blade up and down while moving your guide hand backward. This technique is fast and controlled. Step 4. Master the forward slice for larger cuts. Move the blade forward while sliding your guide hand back, keeping the knife at a slight angle. Use smooth, confident strokes. Never hack or force the blade. Pro tip: a sharp knife requires less pressure and is safer than a dull one. Hone your blade weekly on a honing steel and sharpen it monthly with a whetstone or professional service. What knife skill do you struggle with most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more cooking skills. Visit Sikho.ai.